Okay, right now I am using my Zingyou microphone and I'm using phantom power. And I'm using this phantom power Rose PB23. So this is an amplifier that you need if you are using condenser microphone. So right now the microphone is placed 3 inches away from me as I speak. And now you can check to see if there's a difference. In the last two tests, in test 1 and test 2 of the lapel mic, I was using this microphone right here, the Sony ECM T140 lavalier or lapel microphone. As you can see, this is what I was using in test 1 and test 2. So now this is test 3 and I'm using this Zingyou microphone right here. And right now the microphone is placed 3 inches away from me. Testing 1 2 3, testing. Now you can check and see if it's a difference. You hear my voice, and can you tell if it's a difference from using the lapel mic without, I guess you could say yes, the lapel mic without phantom power, using a Sony mic. Tell me which one sounds better, this one, the Zingyou with phantom power, or the Sony lapel microphone without phantom power. Thank you very much. This is test 3. So now I am using the Zingyou microphone without phantom power. This is test 4. And can you tell me, is there a difference in my voice? Does the sound of my voice change compared in test 3? Test 3, I used the Rhodes PB, I forgot already, PB23 phantom power adapter. So this is a test. Testing 1 2 3, testing. Tell me if it sounds different. I am not using phantom power. The microphone is plugged directly into my camera, into my GH3, with the microphone level set at 8. Again, the microphone level of the GH3 is set at 8. And I'm not using phantom power. Tell me if you can hear the difference. Thank you very much for this video, and goodbye.